This was a torch that was returned to me by a customer who said they couldn't fill it and that it wasn't working properly. I have found the way to fill it, and it is in fact working. So what you need to do is you need to get this butane for refillable lighters, and it has a number of different heads inside the cup, the lid, so that you can fit the appropriate size. So obviously this one's too big. This one is made for like a little slat, if you have a little slat one. This is the one that best fits it. So the way you do it is you take it out of the container and you give it a little press and see I've already put some butane in here so you can hear it coming out. So this is the one that we're going to use. Now we need to make sure that it goes onto the canister first. And I'm pressing it right down inside. And I know that I've had it done when I go like that, a little bit of gas comes out. So we know that that is secure on here. With your torch, there's this button that makes, you start it in this off position. And once you get your torch going, you would put that back to hold the flame. Right now we want it in the off position. So to the left. This is to adjust your flame. So right now this is the lowest flame. There's a negative there, and you can adjust your flame to the biggest flame once it's lit. So make sure that's in the negative position. We will turn our torch upside down. We will take our butane canister, and we want to make sure to actually put it upside down and shake it a few times. This will warm up the gas. Remember, we've got our head on there. And now to fill it, we need to make sure this is exactly right on top, and you could see most of the gas. You hear a little bit of, if you have that, it's a little air bubble in the stream. Just, I believe it's actually full because I've already been putting some into the torch. So that means it's full. So now at this point, our torch is full, and I can feel it's cold here, so I know it's been full. It didn't take much because I'd already done it to test it before I did this video. So now, to start it, we press this button down and give a solid click if it doesn't work the first time. There's our torch. We click here, push that back. That holds our torch in place. And now I can adjust my flame to this big flame. If it's flickering a bit, that means there's just a little bit of dirt in our, because this torch again was returned to me last year saying it did not work. So as you can see, it does work, and it can adjust the flame to very small. When we're ready to turn it off, again, we just flick this to the off position.